go! Let's go! There we go.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP, and I'm back again.
Oh, nailed it.
I'll catch you guys on the flip side. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP, and I'm back. And as you can see, we're not in Alaska anymore. Back in Cali. I know the last few videos of mine are all from Alaska, so I'm finally got some time to fish in the friendly waters of California, trying to get a bass. Haven't had one in God knows how long. I've fished once since I got back from Alaska, and only had a couple hours of fish in the morning, didn't catch anything. Kind of an epic failure, so I definitely didn't post any of that video. So got the rods. Whoa, got a trash bag too. My girl Brittney did a little fishing spot cleanup thing on Insta, and it's a pretty cool idea. You know, clean up the spots you fish. People trash them, leave lure wrappers and bags of Cincos around, all the, you know, all this kind of crap, bunch of line, empty bottles. So she did a little thing, cleaned up the spot, put a little challenge out, found some of her fellow anglers, and I was one of them. So challenge accepted, as we say. So I'm heading back. We're at Pond X. I'm gonna head back to the back pond, put in some work. Punch bite should be pretty good right now. Grass mats are pretty thick. A little bit of wind today, so it's not 157. It's only like blizzard. Scared me. I think it's in the 90s today, which is kind of cool for California right now. So it's a little after, it's about 5 o'clock or so. We're gonna head back, and then yeah, I'm just gonna clean up as I walk back to the truck, make my way as we're fishing. Any kind of trash we come upon, we'll just pick it up. I mean, we got to do our part to take care of Mother Earth, you know, so that way we can enjoy it a little bit more, and the future generations can enjoy it as well. So let's get into some fish. Just walked up on 3 little deer. Didn't see any horns. They're hopping pretty gracefully away. Tried to trick me. 2 of them went that way, 1 went that way. I ain't falling for that. See if I can catch up with them. I doubt I will. They're probably out. Probably think I'm a bear or something. Oh no! It's that bearded bear thing that walks on 2 feet. Let's get out of here. Bunch of tracks everywhere. Now, there they are. Hey, little buddies. Hey, where are you going? Oh, that dude almost ate it. They just circled me. These things are super fast too. There you go. The mats are a little bit broken up right here, kind of stringy, so I was gonna punch it first, but I'm gonna throw the frog on top of it. See what happens. Send it. Oh, I sent it. Thought the mats were gonna be thicker back here, but they aren't. So we'll throw a frog at first if we don't get any blow-ups. just start punching. Super humid back here. A lot of trees. Breeze doesn't really get through here. So I'm sweating like nothing else right now. That was something pretty big. I'm assuming a deer. Just moved that entire tree. Alaska kicked in right now. I was like, oh God, that's a bear. But we're not in Alaska, so pretty sure there's no black bears all the way down here. Oh, crickets. No luck with the frog. No luck with punching. So we're going with the Cinco. If there's no luck with the Cinco, I'm probably gonna start trying to catch bluegill. No, I'm just kidding, but gotta figure out the bass bite. I think they know I haven't caught a bass in a long time, so they're being extra finicky. Cool. First cast has a bunch of weeds, so it doesn't even sink. Very awesome. Just what I like to see. Just what I like to see. Is that one gonna sink? Finally. There's a bite. Yep. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, it broke me off. You gotta be kidding me. Bad line. I knew I should have retied. Oh, epic fail. That was a nice one too. Man, that's a bummer. That was a pretty decent fish. At least say a three or four at least. Snapped. It was an old knot. I knew I should have cut it off and retied it, you know what I mean? I just gotta work a little harder to get that first fish. Yeah, that thing was solid. It's a good spot. Bite. Nothing there. It's important to be real patient. It's probably bluegill. If you're fishing these grass mats and you hear this little pop, 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 sounds like popcorn. That's bluegill under there. They're feeding on the other side of the mats, eating all the little bugs. More often than not, and you throw your Cinco in there especially, you'll get all these little bites as it's sinking down. It's the bluegill hitting it. And you reel slack and go set the hook and there's nothing there. It's real fun. Bite. Just like I said, I couldn't have been any better timed. That thing started running with it, so it's probably a bigger bluegill. Go to set hook. Hello, nothing there. Gonna make me work today. Nothing coming easy. Bite. There we go. Stay on. This guy's got a ton of energy. Where are we at? Oh, he's stuck in the primrose. Get yourself free, buddy. Another one. That's a second one that broke me off. That thing got wedged underneath the whole mat of primrose and just snapped my line. So I took a bunch of line off. Hopefully got to some good new line. If it breaks off a third time, I'm just not going to be able to use this pole the rest of the day because this line has been on there for quite a while. So it probably went bad as I was in Alaska. Oh, there's no way I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I was just gonna send it, and then I looked up and saw a giant tree above me. Trying to go for that little alley. Yep. Epic fail. All right, let's regroup here. Make sure we're all together and send it.
Make it all the way through? I didn't make it all the way through. I just threw it to the middle.
I don't even want to reel right now. I'm so proud of myself. All right. Let's catch a fish now. Oh, we're on the log. Okay, we're off. Something blows up. It's going to be amazing. Yeah, that's about right. Make a cool cast and there's literally nothing there. All right, take two. Going straight on. Mr. Frog's ready to beat. Send it! Oh yeah. If I land one in the open over there, I'm not in good shape. I'm gonna have to like jet ski him across the water. Dude, the freaking dragonfly sounded like a bird flying over my head. Of course there's nothing there. It's ridiculous. Just one time I want to cool cast and then actually catch something. One time. How about right there? How about right there? No, now my frog is upside down. Fail. Epic fail. All right. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. This might be the smallest fish ever, and I hope he stays on because it's the first fish I've caught since I came back from Alaska. Let's go!
Radio's like half of that.
I didn't even get the blow up. I can't even see where the hook is. Probably gonna hook myself. Don't do it, buddy. Don't send that frog into my finger. Oh, you little guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so dark you can get the silhouette. That's kind of cute, actually. This thing might... 11 ounces. Almost a beer. First one since Alaska. I love you, little guy. Alright, I think this 10-pounder's ready to go home. Giant. World record. Oh, 10 ounces. See you, little buddy. Yes, I have to get this current situation. She has a frog on the bottom of her shoe.
It's mine too. I don't know how it got there.
She has no idea how long it's been there. Hey, when you're catching, you're catching. Got a decent amount of trash. Part of a fishing pole. Some random stuff. Bottle of Sailor Jerry in there somewhere. A bunch of cans and bottles and stuff like that. Not a ton of stuff, but hey, we cleaned up, you know, what was in our path as we were walking by, and that's what it's all about. I'm glad Brittney challenged me to this. Alright, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because I'm exhausted. I want to get home and get some dinner. It's like past 9 o'clock right now, but one little guy to show for our efforts. Sweated out like 30 pounds, but hey, that's always good. That's always necessary. The bite was kind of tough. Broke off those 2 nice ones early. That first one was easily 3 or 4 pounds, just snapped my line. Second one was a pound, just got stuck in the primrose, snapped my line, but that was my fault. I'm not gonna blame anything else. You know, I knew that line was old, got in a rush, just threw the poles in the truck and took off. You know what I mean? I should have changed that line as soon as I came home from Alaska, but hey, take it as a public service announcement. You know what I mean? Check your equipment before you guys head out. Other than that, that's all she wrote. You know what I mean? We set out to pick up some trash. I appreciate Brittney for challenging me to that. You know, it's something that's simple. It's not a huge deal, but to people that enjoy the outdoors, enjoy nature, want to see nature preserved, want to see nature last for the future generations, it is a big deal. You know what I mean? And I encourage you guys to do the same. If you're not fishermen, hey, when you're taking a walk in the park with your kids, with your dog, whatever, take a little garbage bag with you. You see something on the ground, pick it up, throw it away. It's not a big deal, but I guarantee you the other people that are enjoying the park are going to appreciate your efforts. You know what I mean? If you're, you know, walking around work and you see something, just pick it up. You know, it's not a big deal. I try and do it when I'm on campus just to help our campus, just to help everything look better. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but every little effort that we can make will help, you know, help save Mother Nature. I mean, you might not think it, but it does. Everything adds up. You know what I mean? The way I look at it, I'm just trying to make sure, you know, the things that I enjoy, nature and the outdoors, all that kind of stuff, last, so that when my kids grow up, they can enjoy the same thing. So I just encourage you guys to get out and just do a little effort, little work. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be a big thing, like a big project, but if you're outdoors, just do what you can. You know what I mean? I appreciate all the love and support on the channel, man. It means a lot to me. We're slowly growing. We'll get to 1,000 one of these days. Help your boy out though. Spread the word. Let them know. Check me out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, all that kind of stuff. I'm everywhere. So just, you know, spread the word and let's help this channel grow. All right. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the flip side.